Hey there! What if a single stumble could change your life forever? One moment you're strolling through the park, the next you're struggling to stand. That's the reality for so many people over 50 as their legs quietly lose strength, threatening the freedom to live life on their terms. But I'm here to share a powerful truth. You can fight back, and it starts with the food on your plate. I'm a healthcare expert with over 20 years working with folks over 50, and I've seen nutrition work miracles. Muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, is a sneaky thief. It creeps in, raising your risk of falls, disrupting balance, and chipping away at your independence. The good news, you can push back, not just with exercise, but with foods that fuel your body to stay strong, agile, and full of life. Today I'm sharing 8 science-backed foods to keep your legs powerful, flexible, and energized. These aren't just healthy, they're delicious and easy to slip into your daily meals. Let's dive in and explore how you can take charge of your strength, one bite at a time. Let's kick things off with salmon, a true superstar I urge every patient to try. Salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, the building blocks your muscles need to repair themselves after every step you take. As we age, our body's ability to rebuild muscle slows down, and without enough protein, simple tasks like climbing stairs or standing up can feel exhausting. But salmon goes beyond protein. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that tackle inflammation, a major cause of achy knees and stiff joints. Ever feel like your legs are moving through quicksand after a long day? That could be inflammation at work. Omega-3s soothe it, boost blood flow, and ensure your muscles get the oxygen they need to stay strong and fatigue-free. I had a patient, Robert, 67, who used to dread walking because his legs felt so heavy. I suggested he grill salmon with olive oil and veggies twice a week. A month later, he grinned and said, "Doc, I feel like I'm 10 years younger." Can you picture that kind of energy in your life? It's just a meal away. Next, let's talk about berries, those little gems like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. Don't let their size fool you. They're nutritional powerhouses. Berries are bursting with antioxidants like vitamin C and anthocyanins, which shield your muscles from oxidative stress, the cellular damage that speeds up aging and weakens your body. Imagine your muscles as a fortress, constantly battered by free radicals like storms hitting the walls. Antioxidants in berries are your shield, keeping that fortress standing tall. Plus, vitamin C fuels collagen production, the glue that keeps your muscles, tendons, and joints flexible and resilient. My patient Linda, 55, struggled with knee pain when climbing stairs. I suggested she toss a handful of berries into her morning yogurt or blend them into a smoothie. 3 months later, she told me, "I'm not just pain-free, I feel sharper, more alive." That's the beauty of berries. They strengthen your legs and lift your spirit. Have you tried adding them to your breakfast yet? It's a small change with huge rewards. Now let's shine a light on sweet potatoes, a humble food with incredible power. Sweet potatoes are packed with complex carbohydrates, delivering steady energy to keep you moving all day without crashing. Ever feel your legs turn to jelly by mid-afternoon? That's often a sign your body's low on stable fuel. Sweet potatoes also provide potassium, which helps your muscles contract smoothly and prevents those painful cramps that can wake you up at night. My patient Mark, 58, was plagued by nightly leg cramps that left him exhausted. I suggested he roast a sweet potato for dinner a few times a week. 2 weeks later, he called laughing, "Doc, I'm sleeping like a baby, no cramps." The vitamin A in sweet potatoes also repairs muscle tissue, keeping your legs flexible and less prone to soreness. Try mashing them with a touch of cinnamon or tossing them into a hearty soup. It's comfort food that works wonders for your body. Spinach is another gem I want to highlight. This leafy green is loaded with vitamin K and magnesium to strengthen bones and muscles, plus iron to boost circulation. Poor blood flow can leave your legs feeling heavy and tired, but spinach ensures oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently. My patient Emily, 70, felt winded after short walks. I suggested she blend spinach into her morning smoothie with some fruit to mask the taste. A month later, she was amazed. She could walk farther without feeling drained. Spinach is so versatile. Toss it into salads, stir it into soups, or blend it with bananas and berries for a nutrient-packed drink. Have you ever thought about how a simple green leaf could transform your energy? It's like giving your legs a daily recharge. Oats might sound like a boring breakfast staple, but they're anything but. Oats deliver complex carbs for sustained energy, plus plant-based protein to maintain muscle mass. They're also rich in magnesium to prevent cramps and iron to ensure your muscles get enough oxygen. My patient John, 60, used to hit an energy wall by noon, feeling sluggish and unmotivated. I suggested he start his day with a bowl of oats topped with berries. A few weeks later, he said, "I'm not dozing off in the afternoon anymore." Oats are incredibly versatile. Bake them into homemade bars, blend them into smoothies, or sprinkle them over yogurt for a quick snack. It's a small habit that pays off big for your legs. Avocados are a food I can't stop raving about. Their monounsaturated fats fight inflammation, keeping your joints supple and pain-free. Potassium, more than you'd find in a banana, supports muscle contractions and wards off cramps. Vitamin E protects your muscles from the wear and tear of aging. My patient Grace, 53, used to wake up with stiff, achy joints. I suggested she spread avocado on toast or whip up some guacamole. A few weeks later, she said, "It's like my body's been oiled. I move so much easier." Slice avocados into salads, blend them into smoothies, or eat them with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. Have you ever considered how a creamy fruit could make such a difference? It's a game changer for your legs. Quinoa, another addition I love, is a complete plant-based protein, packing all 9 essential amino acids to rebuild muscle. It's also rich in magnesium and iron, supporting circulation and muscle function. My patient David, 65, swapped white rice for quinoa in his dinners. He was stunned, saying, "I never thought a simple switch would let me walk farther without tiring." Quinoa is so easy to work with. Use it in salads, stir it into soups, or serve it as a side dish. It's perfect for busy days when you still want to nourish your body. Finally, don't sleep on eggs, an affordable all-in-one nutritional powerhouse. Eggs provide complete protein, vitamin D to boost muscle strength, and choline to support the nerve-muscle connection that keeps you steady. My patient Helen, 68, used to feel unsteady on her feet. I suggested she eat 2 eggs daily, scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet. A month later, she said, "I'm walking with confidence now, no more wobbling." Eggs are so easy to incorporate, and their benefits go beyond your legs. They give you energy and mental clarity too. What's stopping you from adding an egg to your morning routine? But let's take a step back and think about why this matters. Your legs are more than just muscles and bones. They're the foundation of your independence. Every step you take, every moment you spend chasing grandkids or strolling through a farmer's market relies on them. As we age, sarcopenia can make even simple movements feel like a battle. But science shows us a way forward. A diet rich in these foods, combined with gentle movement like walking or yoga, can slow muscle loss, reduce inflammation, and keep you vibrant. I've seen it work time and again with my patients, and I know it can work for you. Let's talk about the bigger picture. When you nourish your body with these foods, you're not just feeding your muscles, you're investing in your future. You're saying yes to more days of hiking with friends, dancing at family gatherings, or simply standing up without a second thought. I had a patient, Clara, 72, who thought her days of gardening were over because her legs couldn't handle the bending and kneeling. We worked together to add foods like salmon, spinach, and eggs to her diet, paired with short daily walks. 6 months later, she sent me a photo of her garden in full bloom with a note. "I'm back out here, and it feels like a miracle." That's what these foods can do. They don't just keep you moving, they bring joy back to your life. So I want you to pause and ask yourself, what are you doing today to keep your legs strong for tomorrow? These foods aren't just nutrition, they're a promise to yourself, a commitment to the body that's carried you through life. You don't need to overhaul everything. Just start small. Maybe it's a bowl of oats in the morning, a piece of salmon for dinner, or a handful of berries as a snack. Each bite is a step toward a stronger you. Close your eyes and picture yourself at 70, striding confidently through your neighborhood, climbing stairs without huffing, living life with a spark in your step. That's not a fantasy. It's within your reach, starting with your next meal. These foods are your tools, your allies, your way to hold on to the life you love. So tell me, what will you try first? I'm rooting for you, because every bite you take today is a step toward a stronger, freer tomorrow. Thank you for watching until the end. I truly appreciate every view, like, and comment from you. If you found this content helpful, don't hesitate to share it with your friends or loved ones. Your interaction is a big motivation for me to keep creating more valuable content. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment. I'm always happy to hear from you. See you in the next videos.